Antonym of suspend, as in suspend a user account. An administrator of a website or network may decide to suspend a user, preventing them access for a period of time. Is there an antonym of suspend, meaning to reallow that user access?
I would use either resume, restore, or reactivate. Reactivate is the clearest, but some may find it ugly. The others will only make sense in a context where it is clear that the account has been suspended, whereas reactivate is fairly obvious even without context.
I would use reinstate. To put back or establish again, as in a former position or state, to reinstate the ousted chairman.
If you see suspend as a synonym to block because you forbid the person to use the computer system or software he wants, you could use unlock as the antonym.
As a sysadmin, the word we usually use is just activate. E.g. your account was suspended because the password expired. I have just activated it for you. It may not be grammatically correct, but that is usually the on-screen option, button, or command used in the software to do what you are saying. Or if you want to keep looking for other words, the origin of account comes from mainframes when you had to pay to use it and your account was the amount of money you had put in. When you ran out of money, your account was suspended, just like business accounting systems would do to customers. Try looking at business accounting terms if you want more ideas.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.